Hey, what's up, everybody? You tuned in to another episode of Strategic Moves. This episode we call it Cooking with Kenny. My daughter bought me this nice little apron for Father's Day so we could do some cooking things here at the house and out in our outdoor kitchen. So today we're going to talk about a product that was sent to me in the mail. It was sent to me by a company called Vicseed, and they wanted me to test out a new product that they have, and this product is called the Armeator Meat Thermometer, and it's a wireless meat thermometer that was sent to me, and they wanted me to try it out. So we want to give a shout out to Vicseed for having us to try out this product. They wanted us to try it out, review it, and let them know what we felt about it, and from that they said that we can keep it. So we're going to review it today. We're going to see what it's all about, and we're going to put it on. What's unique about this is that it's wireless, and it has an app that goes to your cell phone as well. You can connect it to your cell phone through Bluetooth, and it'll allow you to monitor your meat to make sure that it's at the precise temperature that you want as you cook it. The case it comes in with is a really nice solid case. It has a on and switch here that turns it on and off. It's made out of some kind of plastic. It has a nice rubber backing on the back that is skid resistant, so it won't slide off your counter or anything of that nature. It comes with, inside the box, you get some papers here that all the instructions about what it's all about. You also have a QR code there that will allow you to be able to get the app, and we'll show you more about the app as we go on through this process. You also get another little short card that will give you some shortcuts of how to use the meter itself. And it comes with this nice charging port that comes with it as well. It's usually like with most USB ports that comes with it. So it's the same old regular Android charger. It goes into this port here, and it allows you to be able to use that. What I like nice about this is that when you get it, it comes already fully charged. So when you get it out the box, it's ready to go. I will test it to tell you how long it takes to charge it, but this is a small item, so it shouldn't take too long to charge. And also on this probe there's a line right here on there, and that's the line in which you should try to stick this into your meat, at least to that line, so that you can get a great temperature on it. So we're going to try this out today, and we're going to see how it works, and we'll let you know. I got a smoked pork butt that I have in the house. It's a small picnic roast, and we're going to put it into our griller and our smoker, and we're going to smoke it slow and low. And we're going to test this out and see how it looks on the app once we get it going. So stay tuned. We're going to get started again with trying to try this out. We brought out our pork roast, and we're going to insert our probe into the center of our meat, getting it to that line that we talked about. And we have it in there, and as you see on the app, we have an internal temperature. Is going up to 61.8. That's what it's set up for, and no cook setup time is set up yet on the app. I got to go through the app and show you more tricks and stuff about the app. But if you just want to do a very simple cook, all you have to do is stick it in there, and it's going to register that right away on your app on your phone. Right here we have the time of the temperature of the meat. 61.8 is what it's saying, the internal temp. We're going to smoke this till we can get it up to an internal temp of 160 degrees, 165 degrees, 170, and then we're going to take it out and wrap it up. We're using our Next Grill Oxford smoker today, and we got it up to 267 degrees, and we're going to then go from there to try to smoke this thing for at least 4 to 5 hours. What you're going to do is you're going to have your meat put on a grate like this, because if you put this in there, it makes it easier for you to turn the meat. So, this out the way, and take our meat, take it off this counter here, take it off of here, and we're going to apply it on here, nice and good. Turn it, so our probe will be there, and we're coming out, slide it right there. Close it up, lock her in. Something I found out about this that I just noticed is that this has a magnet on it. So if you wanted to put it there to keep a temp, or if you want it somewhere else that you can, it's a good place that you can put it there, and it'll keep a good temperature for your meat. And you won't lose it. How about that? So going back to the app, that's our internal temp. That's where we're at. We're going to let this thing cook itself on out, and we'll be back as we check on it. See our temperature is rising back up on my grill. So it's gonna go back and forth, but we'll be back.
2 hours later.
We have smoked this roast for over 5 hours today. Just getting back home, I had some runs to make. I got back and we kept the temperature throughout the process. This roast has been sitting. Now we have an internal temp of about 100 degrees on the inside. We're gonna take a nice look at what happened when we did that. And as we look, it came out really nice and juicy. Lots of juices left in there. As we see, the probe itself comes out. We got nice bark on it. Probe, we pull it out. Oh, there we go. There goes the meat bone coming out. So this did come out pretty well. Our bone came out easy. Meat came out well. My smoke ring did pretty well. We will do another video that will just talk about the app itself and how you can change all the temperatures and things of that nature on the app. And we're going to do some more testing as it goes. But right now, we wanted to get a test because it came in the mail. I wanted to see how it worked. And just testing it out on what we had in the fridge that we wanted to do it, came out well. If you're in the market for a meat thermometer that you can track your temperature on your phone, I suggest you try out the Armeator Meat Thermometer by Vicseed. Try it out and you can get it on Amazon. Use our promo code and you'll receive a % discount. So we'll check you out next time.